This is the expert daddy swaddling Sophie. There we go, there's one. Very nice. Get this technique over here. Tuck it under her. Tuck it under her little body. There we go, good. Two. Tucky, tucky. Oh my gosh, she's amazing. Look at this, baby Gami in action. A little bit squawky is to be expected. He's almost done. There she goes. Notice his technique, it's amazing. And he did it.
Voila.
Incredible. Swaddle baby. I don't know about this, but we'll see. He's going to try to burp or swaddle. It's incredible. No one has attempted this before.
Degree of difficulty.
Very high. That was good. Oh, something came out there. Look at her face.
Mom is laughing.
First she tries to eat you, and then she'll laugh.
You're fat and go home.